Windows. Now we are going to start with the installation of Ubuntu. Shut down your laptop. Now insert the installation media for the Ubuntu. Power on the laptop and again go to the boot menu. Select your pen drive. Click on the very first option, Ubuntu. Click on the Install Ubuntu option to install Ubuntu. Select your keyboard layout. I will select English. Continue. Select I don't want to connect to internet to reduce the installation time. Select normal installation and install third-party softwares for Wi-Fi, hideaways and other things. Click on continue. In this three option, select something else option. Don't select the second option, otherwise it will erase the Windows which we have recently installed. Click on continue. Now select the swap ext4 partition which we have selected for installation of Ubuntu. Click on the option as change. On the menu button as use as, click over there ext4 file system. Check the format the partition option and select mount point as /. Click on OK. On the another swap partition, click on change. Select the option use as swap area and click on OK. Select the device for bootloader as your hard disk option to install the grub on the hard disk. Click on install now. Select your location, Kolkata, for time zone information. Select your name for the PC. choose a password, click on continue. Wait for the installation to complete. The installation is now completed. You need to restart the computer to reflect the changes. Click on restart now. As the system shut down, remove the installation media. Now the laptop has been restarted. You will get a grub on startup. Select Ubuntu. Log in with the password which we have set recently. With this, we have completed the installation for Ubuntu 20.04 as well as Windows. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.